Hi you guys, I've been asked to show how I've made this wide pocket on my mini folio. So for this tutorial I'll be using a 7.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock for a pocket size of 5.5 by 4.5. I'm starting out by scoring at 1/2 inch and inch on each side of the cardstock, and then on the bottom of the pocket as well, 1/2 inch and inch. Now I'm cutting unnecessary parts of the cardstock after I scored them in fold, and I'm leaving a little flip just so I can glue it then to the sides. After doing so, I'm folding the scored lines. The pocket now is ready, as you can see. We just need to add our adhesive, so we can use either liquid glue like tacky, or we can use a score tape. If you wish to add a pattern paper, so that's the time to add it. I'm not using a pattern paper as I have just made it for an example.